Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about limit. X to the power of 3, we can put x squared and x. Next, about x, that is about the square root of x to the power of 2. Now, we can do about factorization by the square root of x. So this one, we can transform about the square root of x to the power of 4. So that should be like this. So this one combined with this one, we have the square root of x to the power of 5. Now we have the formula in here. So number 1, that is about 1 to the power of 5. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So we need to simplify the square root of x minus number 1 on numerator and denominator. So we can put number 1 go here, 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 here. So we have the final answer. And that is about number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.